Hello everyone, in this tutorial I just want to point out that if you want to actually create a custom virtual device, you can do that by actually clicking on the tools, Android, and click on the AVD manager, Android virtual device manager. Okay, as you can see, I have got a default AVD installed in my Android Studio, but the reason that I have AVD installed is because when I was actually installing the Android Studio, I checked the option for actually downloading the system image and installing the AVD or Android virtual device for me. But if you have got any problem with the default AVD, you can actually create a custom device, custom virtual device. Okay, so click on this button at the bottom here, and you should actually choose a device. I choose Nexus 5 and click on next. And as you can see here, you should actually select the system image. Because I have only downloaded the system image API 23 X86 system image for my actually computer, because I have an Intel CPU and I have a Hexam installed in my computer. But if you don't have a Intel CPU, or if you have got a lower amount of RAMs in your computer and you can't actually have the Hexam installed in your computer, you should actually think of another options. First, check this option here, show downloadable system images, and you should actually click on this link if you can't have the Hexam installed in your computer. Just download this system image and choose the actually system image that you downloaded here, and click on that and press on next. But because this system image is okay for me, I only choose this one and click on next. And here you can choose you can actually change some of the settings. You can actually change the AVD name, and here, as you can see, the system image that I told you about. The scale auto is the best option, because it's gonna actually adjust the virtual device according to your screen sizes. And this orientation is not very important, but if you have got a Hexam installed in your computer, and if you have got a x86 system image, you should actually check this option, used host GPU, because it's gonna actually make it faster for your virtual device to run. And this is not very important, and you should actually click on the show advanced settings. And here you can actually set some more settings. For example, if you have got lower amounts of RAM, you can change it here. And for the SD card or other options, don't change anything. These are not very important. But here, as you can see, you can actually for the camera, for the front camera, you can choose an emulator or a webcam of your actually laptop or your external webcam. And for the back camera, you can actually choose the emulator or even your webcam. For the network, speed full and latency none, it's okay. And click on finish, and your virtual device will be created. And I think that's enough for this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.